Assalamu alaikum, class 7. Chapter is financial arithmetic, and today we have to discuss about the property tax. Students, people who own property such as house or a plot of land are required by law to pay tax to the government. The tax paid on property is called property tax. Different governments require the property tax to be calculated at different rates. So students, people who own property like a house, plot of land are required to pay tax to the government. Some amount have to be paid to the government. This amount is called the property tax. And the government require the property tax to be calculated at different rates at different things. Now next topic is general sales tax. So when a buyer purchases an item from a seller, he or she is required to pay tax to the seller. The amount of tax is calculated as a percentage of the selling price. The general sale tax can be calculated as a percentage of a selling price. The seller then pays the tax to the government. So the tax paid by the buyer to the seller on the selling price is called the general sales tax. ऐसा टैक्स जो कि buyer पे करता है seller को on a selling price, उस टैक्स को क्या कहते हैं? जनरल सेल्स टैक्स. सो द टैक्स पेड बाय द बायर टू द सेलर ऑन द सेलिंग प्राइस इज कॉल्ड द जनरल सेल्स टैक्स. Alright students, now we have to start the exercise 7C. There are 4 questions in the exercise 7C. So first question is, Heather owns a factory that has a value of rupees 200 million. If the property tax rate is 2%, how much property tax should Heather pay? The value of the property is given and the value of property tax rate is also given. We have to find the amount of property tax should Heather pay. So students, its solution is, so first of all we have to write the given things, that is value of property is rupees 200 million, rate of property tax is 2%, and we have to find the property tax in rupees. So property tax is 2% of the total amount, so 2% of 200 million. So 2% means 2 over 100, of means multiplication of 200 million. 2 zeros will be cancelled out with these 2 zeros and we get 2 multiplied by 2 million. And after the multiplication we get rupees 4 million. So 4 million rupees should Heather pay. Okay student, now move to our next question, that is question number 2. Mrs. Imran owns 2 plots of equal worth. The property tax rate is 2%. If she paid rupees 15,000 as the property tax last year, what is the value of each plot owned by her? So student, इस क्वेश्चन में मिसेज इमरान ने 2 प्लॉट्स बाय किए हैं, उनकी वर्थ इक्वल है, मीन उनकी प्राइस बिल्कुल इक्वल है, एंड द प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स रेट इज़ 2%. 2% प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स रेट है. इफ़ शी पेड रुपीज़ 15,000 एज अ प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स, अगर प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स लास्ट ईयर जो पे किया वो रुपीज़ 15,000, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ईच प्लॉट. So students, first of all we have to write the given values. Tax paid is rupees 15,000. Tax rate is equal to 2%. Now we have to find 2% of the value of the property means 15,000 rupees is given in the question. 2% पे 15,000. 1% of the value of the property is rupees 15,000 divided by 2. 100% of the value of the property is rupees 15,000 divided by 2 multiplied by 100. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10 0, and after their multiplication we get rupees 7,50,000. Now we have to find the value of each plot. So this is the price of the 2 plots. Now we have to find the value of single plot. So we have to divide this value divided by 2. Value of each plot is rupees 7,50,000 divided by 2, and we get rupees 3,75,000. 3,75,000 is the value of each plot. Okay students, now we have to move to our question number 3. Wahaj buys a pizza for rupees 800. A week later, the same pizza cost rupees 900. When Wahaj asks the manager for the reason, he explains that government has imposed a general sales tax on all restaurants. What is the general sale tax percentage? So students, a week ago the price of the pizza is rupees 800. After a week, second price of the pizza is rupees 900. So increase in price is rupees 900 minus rupees 800, so rupees 100. Now we have to find the percentage of general sales tax, that is 100 over 800, the first price, multiplied by 100 percentage. These two zero will be cancelled out with these two zero. 2 4 is 8, 2 50 is 100, 2 2 is 4, 2 25 is 50. Now 25 divided by 2 percentage is equals to 12.5 percentage. So the general sales tax percentage is 12.5. Okay students, the last question of this exercise is question number 4. Find the sales tax and total cost of a radio set whose list price is rupees 1200. The rate of sales tax is 7%. सो स्टूडेंट्स लिस्ट प्राइस मीन्स मार्केट प्राइस उसकी जो है वो 1200 है, उस पर अभी सेल टैक्स जो है वो 7% है. हमें फाइंड करना है कि सेल्स टैक्स की अमाउंट क्या होगी और फिर रेडियो की टोटल अमाउंट क्या बनेगी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, रेडियो की जो लिस्ट प्राइस है, लिस्ट प्राइस ऑफ रेडियो इज़ रुपीज़ 1200, रेट ऑफ सेल्स टैक्स इज 7%. सो 7% ऑफ रुपीज़ 1200. सो 7 डिवाइडेड बाई 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1200, 2 0 will be cancelled out with these 2 0 and rupees 84. So the sales tax is rupees 84. Now the buyer have to pay rupees 1200 plus 84 because of the general sales tax. So total cost of radio set will be 1200 plus 84. So 1284 rupees is the total cost of the radio set which have to be paid by the buyer. Okay students, our exercise 7C is completed. I hope you will understand the whole lecture. Allah Hafiz.